Hello and welcome to Grade 2 Science, Unit 5, Electricity. Electricity around us. Electricity is all around us. We can use it to make light and we can use it to make sound. Look at the picture of the light bulb. The light bulb uses electricity to make light. Look at the picture of the speakers. The speakers use electricity to make sound. We can use electricity to heat things up or cool things down. For example, an oven uses electricity to heat things up. A fan uses electricity to cool us down. An electric heater uses electricity to heat us up. And an air conditioner uses electricity to heat things up and cool things down. We can use electricity to make things move. For example, an electric car. This uses electricity in order to move. Or a washing machine. A washing machine uses electricity in order to spin and wash our clothes. Look at the picture. Which things use electricity? Good. We have a microwave that uses electricity. We have the lights. They use electricity. We also have a fridge. This too uses electricity. And a kettle. Well done. Which of these things need electricity? Does a fan need electricity? Or a light bulb? Or a laptop? Maybe a teddy bear? Or a kettle? Or some books? Or a washing machine? Can you decide which of these things need electricity? Well done. The teddy bear and the books do not need electricity, but the light bulb, the fan, the laptop, the kettle, and the washing machine do need electricity. Mains electricity is very powerful. It is made in power stations. Can you see the wires? Cells and batteries. A cell can store electricity. A cell is often called a battery. Cells are used for things that people carry, like torches or mobile phones. There are different kinds of cells. Have a look at the pictures. We have a cell on its own and then two batteries. Can you see the differences? So, electricity is very useful. Electricity comes from the mains or from the cells. Staying safe. Electricity moves in the metal part of a wire. The metal should be covered with plastic. Anyone touching the metal would get an electric shock and could die. Look at the photos. You can see that the plastic is covering the wires to protect us from an electric shock. Look at these photos. We should not use something if it has a broken wire. Never put anything into the holes of a wall socket. The metal parts inside could give you an electric shock. So make sure you never put your fingers in a plug socket because electricity is dangerous. So take care when using electricity. Mains electricity can be dangerous. Never use a damaged wire. Never put anything other than a plug into a wall socket. Do not use electricity near water. Making a circuit. A bulb, cell, and wires are needed to make a working circuit. Take a look at the picture. You can see a bulb, a cell, and some wires. So, to make a working circuit, we need a bulb, cell, and wires. A bulb uses electricity to make light. Using motors and buzzers. A motor can make things spin around. This is a motor. Look at the pictures. This here is a motor. An electric toothbrush uses a motor. A fan uses a motor so the blades can spin around. A washing machine uses a motor to spin the clothes around. A buzzer can make a sound. This is a buzzer. Look at our buzzer. An alarm clock uses a buzzer. A doorbell uses a buzzer. And a mobile phone uses a buzzer. This is because buzzers make sounds. Do these things use a motor or a buzzer? What do you think? Well done. The alarm clock uses a buzzer. The mobile phone uses a buzzer. And the fan and washing machine use a motor. So, motors use electricity to make things turn. Buzzers use electricity to make sound. Switches. A switch can be used to turn electricity on or off. There are many different types of switches. This circuit has a switch in it. Can you see? So we have a battery, a switch, a light bulb, and a wire. The switch allows us to turn the electricity on and off. Electricity can be turned on and off using switches. So, our summary of what we have learnt. We have learnt that electricity is very useful. We have learnt that electricity comes from the mains or from cells. We know to take care when using electricity. Mains electricity can be dangerous. We should never use a damaged wire. Never put anything other than a plug into a wall socket. Do not use electricity near water. A bulb, cell, and wires can make a working circuit. A bulb uses electricity to make light. Motors use electricity to make things turn. Buzzers use electricity to make sound. Electricity can be turned on and off using switches. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.